The cost of kitchens is an interesting topic, and it seems to hit home to all of us. It's a fairly big, important part of the conversation. We break the industry really down into three categories of pricing. You've got that lower end, you also have the middle end, and you have that upper top end of your price points. We really sit in that middle to upper end range. We really don't do much in that bottom category. At that bottom category, you're not getting project management invariably. You've got to know what you're doing a little bit, or at least have a really good mate who does. Because at the end of the day, we've got to spend what we've got to spend, and we appreciate that. We undertake a renovation to change how we live, to change our lifestyle, change how our house feels. We also want to sell when our friends walk in. They're a little jealous of us. I guess the flip side of that is also that investment side. We want to make sure that what we're doing adds to the value of the home and is consistent with the style, with the age of the home, to make sure that when you come to sell the home, that prospective buyers walk through and go, oh my God, I love it. The quality of the product is also really important. We just use the products that we know that will stand the test of time. I want to make sure that we're using products that will last, and ultimately, as a customer of ours, it's terrific for you. There's ways of being able to spend a lot of money but get some amazing outcomes, but we'll walk you through those and show you where the costs are. Our designers will sit down with you. They'll show you where the price points are. They'll show you how to save money if you need to, but they'll also show you how to add things if you want to go, right, we're doing this, how do I make this better? How do I make this kitchen even better than anything that I could have envisaged or dreamed of? We would love to be a part of that process with you.